Daddy, are you baking today?
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
Right, okay, well, it looks like we're baking. So I'm going to make her a focaccia for when she gets home from school. So all the ingredients are down below, but I start off with 500 grams of strong bread flour. 10 grams of yeast go in on one side, and then 10 grams of salt go in the other side. I've got a jug there of 360 millilitres of cool water, which I've put about 3/4 in, and then I put about 40 ml of olive oil in, and I'm just going to bring it all together. It's really sticky at this stage. Focaccia is a wet mix anyway, and I think it's probably a bit too dry at this point. So I'm actually going to add some more water and some more olive oil, and then you can see it start to take all the mixture off the sides of the bowl now. So I've been a bit naughty here. I shouldn't really have added any more flour. It's not something you want to do really to focaccia. So I brought it all together. I'm going to knead it for about 5 or 10 minutes now. So we're almost getting there. I've oiled a bowl that dough mixture now goes into, and I'll cover that with a tea towel. Leave it for an hour, leave it to double in size. In the meantime, I'm oiling up some trays, a couple of trays, because it'll do 2 trays. Here's my mixture after an hour. I'm going to tip it out. Just a bit of oil there to stop it sticking to the worktop. I'm going to tip it out, not knock any air out of it really. I'm going to cut it in half, as gentle as I can to keep as much air in as I can really. And now I'm going to pull it about a bit to get it to go onto the trays. So there we go. There's one. And here's number 2. Looks as rough as you like, but this is Dadskillz after all. Cover them both in cling film, leave them for another hour. All risen. I'm now going to poke some dimples in, and I'm going to go all the way down so I can feel the tray. And once that's done, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over. Now in the meantime, sort of 10 minutes before this, I put the oven on. And I preheated it to 220. So, some flakes of sea salt. And then finally, a small handful of oregano. And this smells really nice already by now. Right, in they go. As I say, oven preheated to 220 degrees. And after 15 minutes, they came out like this. And 15 minutes was more than enough. So she's home from school. The big taste test. What will she think? Some balsamic glaze and olive oil in there. Nice? Mm-hmm. Cool.
It's delicious. Dadskillz, Dadskillz, Dadskillz.
Thanks for watching. See you again really soon.